Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set custom ringtone in Oppo phone. Sorry, Realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Again, you have to see here many options. Click on the setting icon. Then you have to see here many options. Scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option, so click on that. Now you have to move up. Then you have to choose a sim number first on which you want to set custom ringtone. So I want sim 2, so click on that. So custom ringtone is called that ringtone which you want to set according to your choice. In the custom ringtone you have to choose any download ringtone or any download song also. I have to choose my custom ringtone from here. I want that one, click on that. Now click on the back option and here you have to see in this way custom ringtone is set on your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.